What's up, guys? It's Drifts and Lifts here. Alright, so right now marks the beginning of our journey up to Ashcroft, BC. So that's a 3-hour drive, and we're going ice racing for the weekend. So this is my first time ice racing. I'm super stoked. I got Miss Huff with me, sitting over there. I'm just hiding from the rain right now so my camera doesn't get too wet. So as you can see, we have a fleet of Volvos. We're missing one. We're still waiting for Aaron Glendon to come with his automatic 740 turbo sedan. But yeah, if we go left to right, we got Jake's 16 valve. Here, I'll cover my camera. All right, so look at this beauty. 16 valve, $300 automatic 740 GLE. So pretty clean. That thing's gonna be a good time. He's got snow tires and a modded G80 locker, and of course Miss Huff, as you guys all know. So there she is. And then we got Alex's red turbo manual wagon. So that's an 8 valve motor, M46. Then we got Mitch's 16 valve 740 here. So he M47 swapped it, so it's 5-speed, and it's an 89, which is cool. It's got the old school front end on it. Then we got Darcy. She's got her 240. Who cares about 240s? No one really cares. And yeah, so we're waiting for Aaron, and then we are on our way. So I'm pretty damn stoked. This is gonna be an awesome weekend. I'm basically gonna document the whole journey. So enjoy the video, guys. Should be really, really fun. And hopefully not too much carnage happens. We are driving 3 hours up one of the most gnarly highways in BC in the middle of the night. So yeah, wish us luck, and if anything happens, it's gonna get documented. So anyways, let's get on the road. All right, guys, so it's about 6:45 in the morning right now, and yeah, we got about 3.5 hours of sleep, maybe less, about 3 hours. And yeah, so we made it up to Ashcroft. No carnage on the way up. Actually, the road was really good. There wasn't a whole lot of snow or anything, so that's all good there. It almost would have been cool to have some carnage, more adventure stories, but no, that's all good. We all made it up safe. So Aaron's just getting some gas. We're all good to go. We got our fleet of 7 Series, and we're going ice racing. Let's do it up. It's a beautiful sight. All right, guys, so we just arrived at Barnes Lake. I think that's how you say it, Barnes Lake. Yeah, so we're ready for ice racing. We all just got our cars teched. Aaron, I think he got his. Oh, he's coming along pretty soon here.
Just getting the last little tape.
Nice. Self-tech. Filling some check marks.
That was such.
Are you sure you're gonna pass this, Aaron?
Well, it says solid motor mounts, and I'm just like, yeah, totally.
Yeah. Yeah, at least they should stay in place. Damn, those are some old gummy hydraulic mounts.
Yeah, dude.
This car sounds good. drive drifts. Guy's ripping.
Dump.
Are you driving as well?
Yeah, I'm getting my 5x5 car. Alright guys, so it's about halfway done through the day now, a little bit more, and yeah, it's a pretty good time. I must say though, the speed of the track with no studs on the tires and that kind of thing, it's pretty slow motion, so I mean, drifting's a little more fun for me, but I know if I had really good studs and the ice track was a little like longer, the bigger corners, third gear, fourth gear, then you know, it'd be a lot more fun. But now we're gonna get back out there and see what we can do. I aired my tires down to 20 psi. They're actually at 35, I didn't realize. And I got Josh in the back of my car with some weight. She's gonna take the camera and film. So yeah, maybe I'll do some freestyle, just trying to get some angle, do some basically straight old drifting. Let's do it.
Cole's being chased by a cop. He has swayed the police officer and is making his way towards us. And heads up, because I think he's gonna go really wide on this next one.
Yeah, I want to stay.
I said it was right there.
Here comes the mist.
Let me just put the camera that way a little. Whoa, look, he's going again. Nice, smooth, connected line. Leave it to Colton.
Red Volvo, waiting on
Braden Carlson would love this. Shout out to Braden Carlson. Check out his YouTube channel. Look at that thing. That guy drove it up here. That must have been a cold drive. From Kamloops, man. How far away is that? It's not that far. 2 hours, yeah. That's crazy.
that thing though.
Yeah, it does pretty good actually. Oh yeah, buddy. Alright guys, so that's a wrap up of day one of the ice racing video. So little recap. It's pretty fun, but definitely two tight corners I'm thinking. So during the last part of the last runs there on the wider course, I ended up skipping 2 cones and make my own little course because I could go a lot faster through there. So it's a bit more fun. We're thinking we might get up to some shenanigans tonight. Maybe find a rally road.
What do you mean?
Not too sure. We'll figure it out though. Should be a good night, and we got all day tomorrow. So yeah, let's do it up. Alright guys, so it is day 2 of the event here. I was a little late to the show. Last night was pretty interesting. So yeah, apparently because I missed the drivers meeting, I can't drive. Seems kind of silly because I guess there's a couple of rules that I missed. All you really gotta do is follow the cones, but maybe I can swindle my way and see if I can, buddy will let me drive there. But if not, I'm gonna go film. It's still the same thing as yesterday, just we're doing the reverse course that we did. So you know, not too much different, but should be pretty fun. The conditions have changed a little bit. There seems like a little bit more slush to bite into. So worst case, if I can drive, then I'll go do a couple laps. If I can't, then I'll do ride-alongs with Jake and go film all my other Volvo friends. So yeah, let's do something fun. Oh yeah, Aaron Glendon. Alright guys, so I just tried to drive Josh's car and I went up to the start line and Buddy saw that it was me driving and I missed the drivers meeting because they had so much to talk about. And I guess the owner of the event organizer said I can't enter ice racing events anymore. That's too bad. I'll come up and make my own track. So it's been a good day though. Good day, and yeah. Yesterday was pretty fun at least, so it's been a pretty fun time. No casualties for Volvos, hey Jake? Nothing wrong with your car? No, not yet. Yeah, until the timing belt snaps. It's not going to though. Alright, so that is a wrap up of today. Nothing too exciting today, that's for sure. So I guess I can't compete in ice racing events anymore from this federation. That's not a big deal at all. Josh Reel actually said his girlfriend Alyssa has a cabin. So maybe we can make an ice track up there someday. That'd be pretty cool. But if not, we're gonna stick to the pavement and the dirt and keep it legit like that. So anyways, hope you guys liked the video. Pretty good time. Much more Volvo Drift shenanigans coming soon, so make sure you stay tuned. Like and subscribe for Harry Volvo cornholes. Peace out.